Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from differential equations na na-request ng isang subscriber natin. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Idol Paul Ryan Umadhay and I hope you all the best, Lodi Cakes, and more power sa'yo. So yung problem natin is families of curves yung topic. Find the equivalent differential equation for all tangent lines to the parabola y equals x squared. So, ang sinabi mga Lodi Cakes, hinahanap natin yung differential equation ng lahat ng tangent lines sa parabolang y equals x squared. So, how do we do that, Sir IJ? Hindi siya yung mga normal na direction na yung mga solution like sa circle, sa mga parabola na mag-derivative lang tayo, first or second derivative. Pero dito, we have to analyze. Okay, ang hinahanap natin is lahat ng tangent lines. So, first step, let us assume muna natin na yung equation ng tangent line natin can be expressed as y equals mx plus b. Okay? So let us assume guys na itong mx plus b is the tangent or all tangent lines to the parabola given. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan, kapag sinabi kasing tangent lines mga idolo, ito kasi yung pagbabasehan natin. Kung tangent line yan, ibig sabihin, this line and this curve will intersect only once. Kasi tangent line eh. Once lang sila mag-meet. Diba? Parang kayo Lodi Cakes, once lang mag-meet, pero hindi na kayo mag-meet ulit. De, joke lang mga idol. So, anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So, equate natin yung dalawa. So, we have x squared equals mx plus b. Bakit ulit natin in-equate, Sir IJ? Because tangent line, once sila mag-meet. Okay, so kailangan nating i-reproduce yung quadratic equation and then we can use na discriminant. Okay, mami, explain ko. So, ano na mangyari, Sir IJ, once na i-transform natin yung equation na yan? So, we have x squared minus mx minus b equals 0. So, this is the quadratic equation, mga Lodi Cakes. So, tandaan po natin, na kapag tangent yan, mga Lodi Cakes, yung line natin tsaka yung parabola, the discriminant must be equal to 0. Tandaan nyo po yun mga idol ha. If a line is tangent to a certain parabola, yung mabubuo nating quadratic equation must have a discriminant equal to 0. Ano po ba formula ng discriminant? So let us recall the discriminant formula. Di ba kapag sa quadratic equation, this discriminant will determine the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation. B squared minus 4AC. Dahil tangent po sila, it must be equal to 0 then. So, ano na mangyari, Sir IJ? Ano ba yung B natin dito? So, identifying the values, we have A equals 1, B equals negative M, we have C equals negative B. So, ano na mangyari, Sir IJ? So, B is negative M. So, we have negative M squared minus 4 AC equals 0. So, what we have right now is M squared, negative, that is plus 4b equals 0. Upon solving for b, we have 4b equals negative m squared. And we have b equals negative m squared over 4. Or we can write the negative here sa labas. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Ang gawin mo, ito, ilagay mo dito para mas mapadali siya. Kumbaga, you express b in terms of m so that the number of arbitrary constants will now be equal to 1, which means that you will differentiate only once because the number of constants or arbitrary constants will determine the number of times you're gonna differentiate or take the derivative. So we have y equals mx plus b, in which the b is minus m squared over 4. Getting the first derivative, alam natin that this is a constant. So derivative niyan 0. So ang derivative ng x ay 1, so we have y prime equals m. And then, dahil nag-differentiate na tayo 1, so ang gagawin na lang natin, ibabalik mo to dito. Yung m, papalitan natin ng y prime. So, what we have right now, Sir IJ, is y equals mx. So, we have x multiplied by m, which is y prime minus y prime squared all over 4. So, syempre, minsan maarte yung mga professors natin, simplify nyo na lang. So, that is 4y equals 4xy prime minus y prime squared. Or simplify natin, lipat sa kabila. So, the final differential equation is y prime squared minus 4xy prime plus 4y equals 0. I hope klaro yan mga Lodi Cakes. Ang critical na concept lang naman dito, kapag tangent silang dalawa, yung parabola at yung line, discriminant of the resulting quadratic equation must be equal to 0. And that will help you solve the family of curves. So maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuport sa channel natin. Kung may tanong kayo mga Lodi Cakes, huwag kayong mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Thank you so much everyone. Advance Happy New Year and God bless us all, especially the next year. So kita-kits mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye.